blockchain. The technology you've probably heard will change the world. It was all over the news in 2017 as cryptocurrency prices soared.
The digital currency has exploded in popularity this year.
But then the bubble burst.
Dangerously close to going back below 4,000.
As cryptocurrencies created, the technology powering them fell out of public view too, including from my own. But its true believers kept the decentralized faith.
Similar, if not more powerful of a change than the internet in the way that we organize ourselves.
And in the background, some major companies invested heavily.
Blockchain is poised to change everyday life for the positive for all of us, for consumers. And the evidence is not going to happen. It's happening as we speak.
But its skeptics doubled down.
Blockchain, not Bitcoin. It's an oxymoron. It doesn't make any sense. It's putting the cart before the horse or something like that.
So is blockchain going to change the world? Or is it more of a solution in search of a problem? This is Think Again with me, Andrew Stern, where I take you every step of the way as I dig into compelling, complex, or controversial topics that make us wonder, do we need to think again?